Unlock your digital doppelganger and inject personality into every snap with this quick guide to making your very own Bitmoji on Snapchat. First things first, open up your Snapchat app. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner to access your profile screen. Look for the section at the top that says Create a Bitmoji, or simply tap the Bitmoji icon if one already exists. This will take you to the Bitmoji creation screen where the magic happens. You'll start by choosing a base look for your avatar, scroll through and pick a face that most resembles yours. Now, dive into the customization. You can change everything from hairstyles and colors to eye shapes, eyebrows, nose, mouth, and even accessories like glasses or hats. When selecting a hairstyle, take your time to find the perfect cut and color that matches your own. Don't forget about your wardrobe. Bitmoji offers a massive selection of outfits, tops, bottoms, and shoes. Pick something that expresses your style, whether it's casual, trendy, or something totally unique. You can even change your outfit as often as you like, so don't feel limited to just one look. Once you're happy with your creation, simply tap the save or checkmark icon. Your Bitmoji is now linked to your Snapchat account. You'll see your personalized Bitmoji appear right on your Snapchat profile now. Whenever you send a snap or chat, you can use custom Bitmoji stickers that perfectly capture your mood and reactions. Simply tap the sticker icon in the chat window, and you'll find a whole library of Bitmoji stickers ready to go. Have fun expressing yourself in a whole new way.